Self-destruction, and I'm back to a place that I left a long time ago. Just give me a sec while I smoke this cigarette. My aching body feels better still. What do you do when you just pick up my guitar and too much on your plate and the need to escape? Everything will be better when I find a way.
Good morning. It's a cold one. I am out looking for inspiration this morning. I have no subject in mind per se. I am thinking about the drone, but I'm kind of fighting this. I'm going to make some photographs and see what the morning looks like. So I'm looking at this scene right here. I have some trees that are symmetrically arranged in such a way that there may be something here. This would be a backlit scene facing into the sun. Not quite sure what I want to do with this yet. I have a grouping of trees here. I'm trying to get inspired. But I do like the symmetry amongst the trees, the way they are arranged. I don't know. Not a good morning. I am frustrated. I cannot find a composition that I like. Now, I may have made a few here or there that maybe there's something there. I don't think it's anything spectacular. Oh, God. Just one of those mornings. What to do, what to do. Take the next step. Try to get inspired. You know, maybe it's time to get the drone out and do one of my favorite shots. Straight down, bird's eye view. I'm looking at the ice. Maybe there's something there. It doesn't look like it from this angle, but I won't know until I get the drone up. So aside from freezing my butt off out here, I took to the air and I kept searching the lake here up and down, and I did find something interesting in the northern section of the lake over here. Right in the corner, there are some really interesting spider-like patterns that are just starting to jazz me up. And I may have some sort of abstract there. There's nice shadows coming down, falling from the trees. So I just had to change my battery, and we're back up again, and we are going to head back over there and make a photograph. Woohoo! It is cold. I'm about done here. I need some coffee, I need some breakfast, and I need to get out of this freezing weather.